So welcome guys for today's session, and today's session is on IBPS RRB PO prelims mock test 3 discussion. So here first 5 questions of your reasoning are based on a puzzle. So please see here what is given. AB 8 friends A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are sitting around a square table in such a way that 4 of them sit at 4 corners of the square, while the other 4 sit at the middle of each sides. All of them have different professions: athlete, singer, dancer, writer, anchor, actor, businessman, banker. The one who sits at the 4 corners do not face outside the center, while those who sit in the middle of the sides do not face inside. 2 persons sit between H and who is a businessman. 2 persons sit between H, who is a businessman, and F. So 2 persons sit between H and F. So 2 persons sit between H and F means, see, let us take like this. So what is given? Those who are sitting in the middle, they are not facing inside. So they are facing outside. Okay, this is the table, and here the persons who are at the corners are not facing outside, so they are facing inside. This is the meaning. And those who are at the middle, they are not facing inside, so they are facing outside. This is what is given. Total 8 persons, 8 places. H, 2 persons sit between H, who is a businessman, and F. So it is very clear that H is a businessman. H is a businessman. 2 persons sit between H and F. Let us next. The one who is a dancer sits to the right of F, to the right of F. The one who is a dancer sits third to the right of F. So let me take what H, who is a businessman. H is a businessman. Two persons sits between H and F. So I am taking F here. I don't know profession now itself. And F is facing outside. And what is given here? The one who is a dancer sit third to the right of F. First right of F, second right of F, third right of F. So if I take F here, then dancer would be here. Okay. Next, singer is neither an immediate neighbor of businessman nor F. So here it is not singer. Here also it is not singer. Very clear. G sits between immediate right of dancer. G sits immediate to the right of dancer means here I have taken dancer. So dancer G would be here. G would be here. Next, 2 persons sit between G and C. 2 persons sit between G and C. So it is already fixed as H. So it cannot be C. So 2 persons sit between G and C means this one would be C. A and D are immediate neighbors. Immediate neighbors. A and D are immediate neighbors. So these 2 cannot be A and D. These 2 cannot be A and D. These 2 cannot be. These 2 cannot be. The only possibility is these 2. These 2 are A and D. Okay. It can be A or it can be D or it can be D. It can be A. It can be A or D. It can be D or A. That is the possibility. Next. The one who is an actor sits opposite to the one who is an anchor. So two opposites are vacant. The two opposites are vacant. Here and here. Okay. Here and here two opposites are vacant. F is not a anchor. F is not a anchor. So D can be anchor or G can be anchor or this person can be anchor. The one who is a writer sits. The one who is a writer sits immediate to the right of athlete. The one who is a writer sits immediate to the right of athlete. And C is not a athlete. C is not a athlete. So B is a banker. B is a banker and faces outside. B is a banker, faces outside. B is a banker and faces inside. And faces inside. So definitely we must get B here. Because H is facing inside. This person is facing inside. This person is facing inside. This person is facing inside. B is a banker and faces inside. So B is a banker. So B is a banker and faces inside. D does not sit third to the left of the banker. D does not sit third to the left of the banker. First left, second left, third left. So D cannot be here. So it must be A. Okay? It must be A. So it means it is D. Okay? It is A, it is D. Now D dancer, B banker, now H businessmen are fixed. So now what is the thing? D does not sit, it is over. Now next is, now who is the remaining person left? A, B, C, D, E is, this is E. The one who is an anchor sits, actor sits opposite to the one who is an anchor. So anchor and actor are opposite to each other. Now the remaining professions, F is not an anchor. F is not a anchor. The one who is a writer sits to the immediate right of a athlete. So two immediate positions are vacant in terms of profession only here. So E is a athlete. E is a athlete and C is a writer. It is given that the one who is a writer sits to the immediate right of athlete. Means two adjacent positions must be vacant for profession. So that is only here. So I can say athlete and writer, and it is not singer. So who is singer? It is not singer. So next, actor. F is not a anchor. So A is a anchor. Anchor and actor are sitting opposite. The remaining final one is singer. This is the arrangement. Now what is the first question given? Who sits exactly between B and the businessman when counted from the right of B? Who sits exactly between B and the businessman? B and the businessman when counted from right of B. Right of B. So how many people are there? The answer is the one who is an actor. The one who is an actor. Who sits exactly between B. What is given? Who sits exactly between B and the businessman? Who sits exactly between B and the businessman when counted from right? When counted from right of B. When counted from right of B, so who is sitting? The one who is a writer is the answer. So E is in the middle. Okay. Next. What is the position of D with respect to E? What is the position of D with respect to E? What is the position of D with respect to E? So the answer is third to the left. Third to the left. Then third question. 4 of the following are alike in certain way and so form a group. Writer, athlete, singer, actor, anchor. Which is different? Out of these, which is different? So, athlete, singer, actor, anchor. Athlete, singer, actor, anchor. They are in the middle. Writer in the corner. So, writer is different. All the remaining are occupying middle positions of the table. Next, what is the position of A with respect to dancer? With respect to dancer, what is the position of A? With respect to dancer, what is the position of A? Once please see here. What is the position of A with respect to dancer? It is the immediate left. Immediate left means option D. The next question. How many persons sit between the one who is a banker and the one who is a athlete? So how many persons sit between banker and athlete means here if you see how many people sit between banker and athlete. Here if you see in this way it is 2. If you say in this way it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So whether in this direction, left or right is not given. So cannot be determined. Okay? Cannot be determined is the answer. Next. Question number 6 to 10. If you see here between J and P, J less than or equal to K is equal to F less than or equal to P. So you can say J less than or equal to P is correct. Then what about Y and O? Y greater than or equal to K and K, Y greater than or equal to K, K is equal to F, and F greater than or equal to O. So you can say Y greater than or equal to O is correct. So this is also correct. Both 1 and 2 are correct. So option E is correct. Next, second one, that is seventh question. Seventh question, D greater than E is equal to F. So T less than F. So T less than O, and O greater equal to F means F greater equal to O means O less than equal to F. So you can say T less than F is the conclusion, which is correct. And H and D. So if you see here, H less than F, and F is equal to E, E is less than or equal to D. So you can see H less than D is the relation. H greater than D is wrong. So answer is only 1. Next, 8th question. F greater than A. If you see here, F is equal to E, F greater than G, F greater than or equal to G, greater than or equal to D, D is equal to C, C greater equal to B, C greater equal to B, and B greater equal to A. So you can say F greater than or equal to A is correct. So it means F greater than A or F is equal to A. So either this or this. Yes. So E to A, F greater than A, F greater than A, or F is equal to A, is because E is equal to F now. E is equal to F means you can say E is equal to A or F greater than A, either this or this. So answer is option C. Next, 10th question. V to Z. V to Z, you can say V is greater than W. V is greater than W. V is greater than W. W is greater equal to X, and X is equal to Y. X is equal to Y, and Y greater than Z. This is what is given. So you can say V greater than Z is correct from this statement. So V less than Z is wrong. T greater than Y. So you can, here if you see T greater than S greater equal to W is equal to X. W greater equal to X is equal to Y. So greater equal to are there. T greater than S, T greater than S, S greater equal to W, W greater equal to X, X is equal to Y. X is equal to Y. So greater equal to greater. So T greater than X or T greater than Y. Is it correct or not? T greater than Y. Is it correct or not? Correct. So second one is correct. Only 2. Next. Between L and K. Between L and K, if you see L, between LNOP and then P, there is no connectivity. So first one is wrong. QK. So QK means K greater than G. So K to J, J to B, B to P, I don't have B to P, B to Q to, where is Q? Q less than P, Q less than P, so I can say Q greater than P, Q greater than P, I don't have any relation, I am not getting any relation here, J and B, so here both are false, false. Neither one nor two. Neither one nor two is the answer. Next. See the next one. Here it is a question based on direction. It is given, what is given? Point Y is 12 meter. Point Y is 12 meter to the north of X. There is a point X. And point Y is some 12 meter. This is 12 meter. And point Z is 8 meter. Point Z is 8 meter to the east of W. Point Z. Okay? Point Z is 8 meter to the east of W. It is what is given. Point M is 3 meter to the south of W. So like this. Point M is 4 meter to the west of N. West of N. So this is N. Point Z lies exactly between X and Y. Okay. So this is like is a 6. This is Z. This is 8. This is 3 meter. Here you have M. And point M is like this. This is what is given. This is W. So X, Y, Z, W, M, N are the points. So in which direction is point X with respect to N? Point X is with respect to N. It is in which direction? It is in southeast. Southeast. Where is southeast? None of this. Second question. Point V lies 6 meter to the north of point W. Then how far is V from point Y? So it is said there is a point V which is 6 meter to the north of W. So it means V is here. V is here. Then the question is, how far is V from Y? It is how much? 8 meter. So answer is 8 meter. So the answer is 8 meter. Next, third question. What is the shortest distance between Z and N? What is the shortest distance between Z and N? This is Z, this is N. What is this shortest distance? What is this shortest distance? So this one you already know as 4. This is already 4 given. Right? This is 4 means you need Z. What is the shortest distance between Z and N? This is 3. This is already given as 3. This total is 8. This is 4. This is 4. So this Zn would be, if you apply Pythagoras theorem here, you will get root over 3 square plus 4 square. Right angle triangle. So you will get 5. So the answer is 5 meter is the answer. 13th question. The answer is 5 meter. Next, how is N related? Is next question actually based on next data 14 to 16. Please see here what is given. In a family of 9 members, there are 5 female members. 5 female members. So 4 male members. P is the father of M. P is the father of M. P is the father of M. M is married to N. M is married to N. M and N are married couple. N is the father. N is the father. So M is mother. Okay. N is the father of J. N is the father of J. So this married couple have a child J. J is the brother of O. J is the brother of O. So J and O are children of M and N. M and N. Next, R is the mother of T. R is the mother of T. R is the mother of T. Next, T is married to S. T is married to S. S is the daughter-in-law of P. S is the daughter-in-law of P means, what does it mean? S is daughter-in-law of P means P's sons. P's son's wife is S. So what you can say, P and R are married couple. P and R are married couple, and R is the mother of T. So what you can say here, M is the daughter of P and R, and T is the son. T is the son of P and R, and T and S are married couple. So you can say now P is the What you say? What is given? S is the daughter-in-law of P. S is the daughter-in-law of P. K is the grandson of P. K is the grandson of P and has no siblings. So definitely K has to be, K is the grandson of P means this K is the grandson of P. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 females, 4 males. 1, 2, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is given here? In a family of 9 members, there are 5 male members. 5 male members. So 4 females. 4 females. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 males already you got. So 1, 2, 3. O is the daughter of M and N. So now the relations are asked. Now it is very clear. P and R are married couple. M and N are married couple. T and S are married couple. Now the first question here is question number 14. How is N related to R? How is N related to R? How is N related to R? N is the son-in-law. N is the son-in-law of R. So option B. Next. How is O related to S? How is O related to S? How is O related to S? So it is niece. The answer is niece. So which option? D. Then third one, 16th one. How is T related to M? How is T related to M? How is T related to M? T related to M as brother. 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 Next. How many pairs of letters in the word connect which have as many letters between them in the word as in alphabetical series? So MNO, so NO, NO, there is no gap. Here also no gap. So it is correct. And then EC, CDE. So CDE, no, it is not. Next. O, P, Q, R, S, T. So OT. So how many are there? The answer is one is ON, the other is OT. ON and OT. Okay. These two are the pairs. Here there is no letter in between N and O. In between O and T you have 4 letters. P, Q, R, S. So the answer is 2. Now next, 18th question. 18th question. If all the alphabets are rearranged within itself as they appear in English dictionary in the word postgraduate, then which of the following will be third to the right of the one which is ninth from the right end? Ninth from the right end. So if all the letters of the word are arranged in the alphabetical dictionary, alphabet. So see here, first you will get A. So please see here, again I am writing postgraduate. Postgraduate. So you have 2 A's. First I am writing A's, then I have E, then I have D, then I have E. D and E also are arranged. Now after that I will get G, then I will get OP, R, S, OPR, OPR, then S, TT, STT, and finally it is U. Now the question is, which of the following will be the third to the right of the one which is ninth from the right hand? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. And third to the right hand means which one? It is A, right? Am I correct or not here? The answer is, what is the answer? Please see once. If all the alphabets are rearranged within itself as they appear in English dictionary in the word postgraduate, then which of the following will, if all the alphabets are rearranged within itself as they appear in English dictionary in the word postgraduate, which of the following will be third to the right? Third to the right. It is asked for third to the right of the one which is ninth from the right end. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Now third right, first right, second right, third right. So answer is C here. Third right. Third right is P. Next. I think you have not confused, okay? So third right means this is ninth. Third right means you will get 1, 2, 3. So you can say simply 9 minus 3, it is sixth right. Okay? In a row of students facing north, Sam is 15th from right hand. 14 students sit between Raj and Sam. So what is the minimum number of students possible in the row? So what is the answer? Tell me. It is 15 plus 14. 29 plus 1. How much? 30. 30 is the answer. Next. In a certain code language, OFTEN is written as this one, MORE. So M means 3. So all are so last E means dollar. E means what? E means dollar. $3. So this is not the answer. Now last one here is R. Here R is how much? R is hash. So all are having hash. So O is what? O is 7. So 7 is there in all. Then what is T? T would be at the rate. So T would be 2. Third one. T would be 2. So here answer is option D. Option D is the answer. Direct substitutional coding. No challenge in that. Which of the following subject was organized in the morning session on Friday? So it is a puzzle based on subject and days. So please see here 8 different lectures: history, geography, mathematics, physics, chemistry, English, Hindi and biology are to be organized on 4 different days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Friday and Saturday, starting from Monday in 2 sessions. That is morning and evening. Monday, morning and evening. But not necessarily in the same order. Okay? The lecture of languages was organized on Friday. So what should be the table now? The table is now day. One is morning session. The other is evening session. Okay? This is the table we have to form. What are the days we have? The days we have is Monday, Tuesday, Friday and Saturday. Right? So now what is given here? The lecture of the languages. So history, geography, mathematics, physics, chemistry, English and Hindi and biology are to be organized on these 4 days. Okay. So morning and evening. Now what is given here? The lecture of languages was organized on Friday. The lecture of languages is organized on Friday means if it is English, it is Hindi. If it is Hindi, then it is English. This is what is given. Next, geography was organized in the morning session but not on Monday. So geography was organized not on Monday. This is not geography. Okay. So geography can be this one or geography can be this one. Next. What is given? One lecture was organized between physics and geography. Definitely one lecture has to be there between physics and geography means geography should not be here. So I can say geography must be here. Okay. Now one lecture must be there between physics and geography means what you can say, if this is geography, this must be physics. This must be physics or this must be physics. Any of these two is physics. Next. No lecture was organized after chemistry. One of these two must be physics. Okay. And one of these two must be chemistry because after chemistry there is no subject. If it is physics, it is chemistry. If it is chemistry, it is physics. That is the thing. Next. No lecture was organized after chemistry. Mathematics was not organized immediately after English. Mathematics was not organized immediately after English. Mathematics was not organized immediately after English. So that is okay because this is physics or chemistry confirmed. The next, what is given? Mathematics was not organized immediately after English. Mathematics was not organized immediately after English. History was organized on Tuesday. History was organized on Tuesday. It is geography, so it is fixed as history. Next, mathematics and chemistry was not organized on the same session. So from this, what can be understood now? Please see once again. Mathematics was not organized immediately after English. Mathematics was not organized immediately after English. And please see once again, is there anything? The lecture of languages Friday, it is English or Hindi. Then mathematics, one lecture was organized between physics and geography. Geography was organized in the morning session but not on Monday. It is also over. Now you have mathematics, biology left. Mathematics and chemistry was not organized on the same session. So how can you say in which session physics was, is there anything mentioned? The lecture of the languages was on Friday. Geography was organized in the morning session but not on Monday. Geography is fixed. One lecture was organized between physics and geography. No lecture was organized after chemistry. No lecture was organized after chemistry means it is the last session. We can say it is last session. No lecture was organized after chemistry. So chemistry is the last class. It is a meaning. And mathematics and what else is given here? Geography and physics something. One lecture was organized between physics and geography. One lecture was organized between, one lecture was organized, not one day. Not one day, one lecture was organized. One lecture was organized means it is geography fixed. One lecture means this one, so it must be physics. One lecture was organized between geography and physics. Okay, one lecture. Okay, and mathematics and chemistry was not organized on the same session. Mathematics was not organized after English. So this is not English. Mathematics and chemistry, mathematics and chemistry was not organized on the same session. So what you can say now? You can say it is English, it is Hindi, and you can say this is mathematics, and finally this is biology. Okay, mathematics and chemistry were not organized on the same session. So chemistry is evening means mathematics is morning, and mathematics is not immediately after English. Okay, so it has to be Hindi because these two must be languages. Okay, done. Now, which of the following subject was organized in the morning session of Friday? So answer is English. Answer is English. Now next. How many lectures were organized between biology and Hindi? Between biology and Hindi, how many lectures were organized between biology and Hindi? Geography, history and English. So answer is 3. Answer is 3. Next. Physics was organized on which among the following day? Which among the following day and session? Physics was organized on which day? I think it is Monday. Physics is Monday morning session. Monday morning session. So answer is Monday morning session, option D. Next. Which of the following lectures was organized immediately before chemistry? Before chemistry, you have which one? Mathematics. Chemistry Saturday evening, mathematics Saturday morning. Already we have formed the table. Next, biology was organized on Monday evening session. Monday evening session, option E. Next. Now questions based on data sufficiency. No, questions based on what? Silox. See here, some HRP, no H is L, some L are T, all T are yes, all T are yes. Now some S are not H, some S are not H. Here it is true, but there is a possibility. That these may have intersection. So first one some S are not H, some S are not H. See here, the other possible diagram I am drawing so that you will have a clarity. It is given some HRP, no H is L, no H is L means I am taking like this. No H is L. And some L are T. And some all T's are yes. Now some S is not H. In this it is true. In this also it is true. So first one is true. What about second one? Some P is T. Here it is wrong. Here it is right. So answer is only one is true in all the possible cases. So answer is only one. Option A. Next. All O is M. All O is M. All O is M. All M is N. Some N is S. No S is W. No S is W. So now all O M N S. No S is W. No S is W. Okay. No S is W. But all these may have intersection. Okay. S and W may not have intersection, but S and W may have intersection. Either this or this. Okay. Now some O can be S. 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 Is it true or not? Some O can be S. It is true. Possibility. Possibility case. Can be means possibility. Some N can be W. Some N can be W. Here it is wrong, but some N can be W. In this case, when no S is W, W will not have connection with S, but may have connection with N, M and W, N, M and O. So that's the reason this is also a possibility. These two are possibility cases for the given statements. So both 1 and 2 are true. So answer is option E. Option E. Next one. No K is R. No K is R. All R are Z. Some Z is Y. No Y is X. Okay. Now, what is the no K is R? No K is R. All R are Z. All R are Z. All R are Z. Some Z are Y. Some Z are Y. No Y is X. No Y is X. So what I am doing is, see, all Y are, all Z are Y. No Y is X. No Y is X. Now some X are not R. Some X are not R. Some X are not R. In this case it is true. But I can keep this X inside this. No Y is X. No Y is X. Some X are not R is wrong. If I take this circle inside this R, still it satisfies no Y is X. I am taking X here inside R. Then all X should be R. All X should be R. No Y would be X satisfied. Some X is not R is wrong. Some Z is not K. Some Z is not K true. Some Z is not K definitely true. So answer is only 2 is correct. Only 2 is correct in both the cases. First conclusion is not true in all the cases. Now next one. Some B is D. All D is F. Some F is not J. Some F is not J. And all J are C. All J are C. If I take this case, okay, so please understand, some F are not J. I have given intersection. It may also not have intersection, okay. Now some J is not B. Some J is not B. Some J is not B is true here. And some F is not J. Some F is not J. I can also relate with B like this. Do not have confusion. So some B's are D's. All D's are F's. Some F is not J. Some F is not J, I can take like this. some F is not J, some F is not J, all J are C, all J are C. Now some J is not B, some J is not B is wrong here. Some J is not B is right here, some J is not B is wrong here, because here all J's are B's. Next, some B is J, some B is J is wrong here, some B is J is right here. So when 1 follows, 2 does not follow. When 2 follows, 1 does not follow. So the answer would be either 1 or 2. Next, all F's are E's. All F's are E's. Some C's are not E's. Some C's are not E's. Some G is F. All H is G. 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 Some G are F. All H is G. So like this. All H is G, some G are F. So some H can never be E. Some H can never be E is wrong, because I can keep H here also. I can keep H here also. This circle I can draw inside also. So some H can never be E is wrong. Some G is E. Some G is E, definitely correct. So answer is only B. Only 2. Only 2. Option B is correct. Next one. Now this is a question based on input output. So please see here. Input is season 27, often 42, perfect 12, enjoy 55, health 39. So what is step 1? Enjoy season. So what happened? Enjoy has come. Enjoy is arranged. Okay. In the first step, enjoy is arranged. And then what else? 27, 42 has gone to the extreme right. So what is the understanding here? The second step, often has come here. And here in the second step, what is done? 27, 12, 55, 39, 40, 27, 42, 12, 55, 39. So first 42 is arranged, then 12 is arranged. So first, see here, even numbers are arranged. In the first 2 steps, even numbers are arranged from right. And here in terms of words, the words starting with vowels, first enjoy is arranged. Next, after starting with E, the starting with O. So often is arranged. So what can be understood here? First, the vowels are arranged in terms of words from left to right. Then from right to left, the even numbers 42 and then 12. So that is what the order. Now next, after even numbers, after what's beginning with vowel, then what's beginning with consonant. So after E and O, words are over, then started with H. After P, after that season. So now everything is arranged. So there are 5 steps in this. Now our given input is what you understand here. If you understand very clearly here, the logic behind it is, in each step, one word and one number is arranged. One word and one number is arranged in the first step. Okay, and Simultaneously, the numbers are arranged from right and the words are arranged from left. So for words, one word will be arranged in each step. The words which start with vowels are arranged first and in the alphabetical order. Then the word which start with the consonants are arranged. After the words beginning with vowels are arranged, then words beginning with consonants are arranged. Now, when comes to numbers here, first even numbers are arranged in the decreasing order. First even numbers are arranged in the decreasing order. Then odd numbers are arranged in the decreasing order. First 42. First decreasing order में दे लेंगे तो 42 and then 12. Then odd numbers में क्या होगा? 42 after that 12 is arranged and after that odd numbers में सबसे बड़ा 55. Then next 39. Then next 27. So first even numbers are arranged in the decreasing order. Then odd numbers are arranged in the decreasing order. So first you will have the letters in the vowels, then consonants as per dictionary. Step 5 is the last step. Similarly for this one, for this courage 22, old 29, basket 54, enter 33, rescue 61. This is the input. Now you have to write step 1, you have to write step 2, you have to write step 3, you have to write step 4, you have to write step 5. Step 5 is the last step. So I'll see first what has to be done here. Vowels. Vowels means here E is there, O is there. So first I am doing E. Enter, courage 22, old 29, basket 33, rescue 61. So first I am arranging what? Even numbers in the decreasing order. Biggest even number is 54. And second step, now after E is already arranged. Now O, E, C. Now this 22 has to be arranged here. So O, E, C. After that you will get next 29, B, 33, R, 61, 54 and 22. Then third step. So now the vowels are already arranged. So E and O are arranged. Now beginning with consonants. So first consonant is in the alphabetical order is B. Now B, O, E, C, 29. Already B has come here. 33, rescue, 54, rescue. After rescue, then you have to take the once the even numbers are arranged, you have to take the odd numbers. So 54, 22, then 61. Then now B is over. B is also arranged. Now next is what? Alphabetically C which will come. So C, B, O, E, C, B, O, E. What is it? B, O, E. Again B, O, E, C. Now C, B, O, E. After that 29. Now next we have to arrange this 33 because in this step the next biggest odd number is 33. So now R, 54, 22, 61, 33. Now final one, rescue. R, C, B, O, E. Then you will have to what? Bring this 29 to the last. So what will you get? 54, 22, 61, 33 and 29. So this is the final step for our given input. Now the question is, which of the following element is 8th from left? 8th from left in step 3. In step 3, 8th from left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer? 54. 54 is the answer. 54 is the answer in third step. 8th from left is 54. Next. Which of the following is step 2 of the given input? Step 2 of the given input means first O, then E. O, E, C, 22. So answer would be what? A. Then next, which element is 6 to the right of courage? Which element is 6 to the right of courage in step 5? You have to go to step 5. 6 to the right of courage. 6 to the right of courage. This is courage C. First right, second right, third right, fourth right, fifth right, sixth right. So it is 61. It is 61. The answer is 61. Next, which element is 5th to the left of rescue in step 1? So already you have step 1, 5th to the left of rescue. 5th to the left of R. 5th to the left of R means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 22. 22 is the answer. So answer is 22. So option D. Option D. Now next. Which of the following element is 7th from the right hand in step 4? Which of the following is 7th from right hand in step 4? What is the answer? 7th from right hand. 7th from right. Which of the following is the 7th from right hand in step 4? So what is the answer here? Step 4. 7th from right hand. Step 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th from right hand. Which of the following would be 7th from right hand? What is the answer? Am I correct? See what is the question once again. Which of the following element is 7th from the right hand? 7th from the right hand in step 4. You have got E. E means enter. E means enter. Next. Now codes. Now you have to write the codes for all words given. Iron, rusting, black, is, brown, then color, red, suit. Okay, these are the words which are coded. So if you see here, iron is there in the first and fourth. In first and fourth, what is common? In first and fourth, you have common Ku. So Ku is iron. So rusting is there here and rusting is there here. In these two, what is common? Ru is common. Ru is common. So rusting is Ru. And after iron rusting, the remaining is black here, the remaining is Bu here. And so Bu is black. Now black is brown. So brown is there in these two. Brown is there in these two. In these two, what is common? Ni is common. So brown is Ni. Brown is Ni. And black is there Black is already written. Black is already over. Now black is what? Black is already written as B. Black is already written as BU. So black is already written as BU. Now only thing left here is is. So is SU. Is SU. Now color is red color suit. Red color is there in these two. In these two, what is common? LU. So LU is color. Now red and suit. Red suit. And here you have red suit left. Here we have two codes. DR, ST. It can be ST, DR. We don't know. Now red rusting. Red means red means DR or ST, and rusting means RU. So DR, RU or ST, RU. DR, RU or ST, RU. So answer is either B or C. Next question. What is the code for iron? Iron means what? KU. Next. Ni is denoted as, Ni means what? Ni means brown. Already we framed the table, so you can check. What is the code of iron suit? So iron is KU, suit is DR or ST. So what is the answer? What is the code for? What is the answer? What is the code for iron suit? So I can say it can be KUDR or DRST. Am I correct? Or KUST. KU must be there because iron means KU. Suit means it can be DR or ST. So either 1 or 2. Next. Same. White suit is coded as STWR. It means suit is written as ST and white is written as WR. So then red dawn. Red would be DR then. One of red or SUT must be DR and ST. As suit is ST, red would be DR. And DAWN, dawn. Red dawn, which is not present in any of our codes. DR has to be there. Along with DR, we should have some new one. So what is the answer? DR, DW, because DW is not there for any kind of our thing. So answer is DR, DW. So option C. Next, questions based on quantitative aptitude. So up to 40 questions reasoning is done. Now next 40 questions on QA. Please see here the graph shows 5 different products purchased by a person. If the sum of per kg cost of sugar and that of salt is 90 rupees and the ratio between per kg cost of sugar and that of salt is 3:2. Then find the difference of total cost of sugar and total cost of salt. It is given that sum of the cost of sugar and that of salt is 90. Okay. Now, so 3:2. The ratio between the cost of sugar and salt is 3:2. So cost of sugar and cost of salt. 3:2 means 5 parts 90. It is 54. 3 parts, 5 parts 90 means 1 part 18. 3 parts 54. 2 parts 36. Now What is the required difference? Find the difference of the total cost of sugar. So here, how much is purchased here? How much is purchased? 15 kilo. So 15 into 54 minus salt, how much is purchased? 5. 5 into 36. Total cost of sugar minus total cost of salt. 1554 minus 536 810 minus 180, which is 630 is the answer. Now second question. If the total cost of tea is 5000, total cost of tea is 5000 means and that of wheat is 450. Wheat is 450. Where is tea? Tea in total 20 kgs. Tea 20 kgs is 5000. So each kg would be 5000 by 20, which is 250. Whereas wheat 10 kg is 450. So each kg would be 45. Now the question is cost per kg of wheat. Cost per kg of wheat is what percentage more or less than cost per kg of tea? 45 is less than 250 by how much percent? Difference by base value 250 into 100. So how much you are going to get here? It is 55 52 241. So answer is 82%. So answer is 82%. Next, third question. 1 kg of rice and 1 kg of sugar are purchased for 450 rupees. 1 kg of rice and 1 kg of sugar, okay, are purchased for 450 rupees. 1 kg rice, 1 kg sugar. If cost per kg of rice decreases by 33.33%, so when rice becomes 2/3 of rice, 1/3 reduced, and the cost per kg of sugar increases by 33.33, so 4/3 of sugar, then the total cost per kg of rice is 500 rupees. So from this what you can say, the LCM is 3, so 2R plus 4S is equal to 500 into 3, 1500. So R cancellation with 2 on both sides. R plus 2S would be 750. So already R plus S is 450. R plus 2S means one S is increased. Thus that S is the increase here 300. So if S is 300, R would be 150 because R plus S is 450. Now find the cost of sugar. Cost of sugar is 300 only. So answer is 300. Next, if the cost of per kg of tea and per kg of rice is 220 and 50 rupees respectively, find the ratio of the total cost of tea and total cost of rice. So tea how many kgs? 20 kgs. 20 into 220 divided by rice how many kgs? Rice 30 kgs. 30 into 50. So here two zeros cancel. 222 are 44 divided by 3 15s are 15. So 44 is to 15. 44 is to 15 is the answer. That is option E. Now next, the total quantity of sugar and salt purchased together. The total quantity of salt and sugar purchased together is what percentage more or less than the total quantity of tea and wheat purchased. So sugar and salt. Sugar is 15, salt is 5, 20. Sugar and salt is 20. And tea and wheat is 20 plus 10, 30. This is how much percentage less than this? So 20 is less than 30 by how much percent is the question. difference by base value into 100. So 20 is less than 30 by difference 10 by base 30 into 100. So answer is 33 1 by 3 percentage. Now next question. If the cost per kg of sugar, of salt and rice is 10 rupees, 30 rupees and 20 rupees respectively. Sugar 10 respectively, then find the sum of difference of total cost of sugar and that of salt and difference of total cost of sugar and that of rice. So you require 15 into 10 minus 5 into 30. Okay, difference of total cost of sugar and salt. Total cost of sugar is 15 into 10, sugar 15 kgs per kg 10 rupees and salt 5 kgs per kg 30 rupees. 15 into 10 minus 5 into 30 plus the total cost of sugar and that of rice. That is how much sugar and total cost of difference of total cost of sugar and that of rice. Rice how much? 30. So 30 into 20 minus 15 into 10. That difference. So this difference is how much? 15 tens are 150. 15 tens are 150 minus 150. 0. 30 20s are 600 minus 150. 450. So answer is 450. Answer is 450 is the answer. 450 is the answer. Now next question is based on time and work question. Abhi does a work for 4 days and left. The remaining work is completed by Satish in 18 days. If Abhi does the work for 6 days, then remaining work will be completed by Satish in 12 days. So 4 days and 6 days. As he is increasing the work for 2 days, his work is reduced by 6 days. So 2 days work of what? Satish. 2 days work of Abhi is equal to 6 days work of Satish. So Abhi and Satish efficiencies are in the ratio of 3:1. 3:1. So efficiencies 3:1 ratio. 3:1 ratio. So time. So now what we understood here? Abhi's 4 days work. Abhi's efficiency is 3 and the remaining work Satish 18 days work. 18 into 1, 12 plus 18. Total work is 30 units. Abhi's 4 days work and Satish 18 days work. Why 4 into 3? 4 days Abhi is working with a efficiency of 3. Satish is working for remaining 18 days with a efficiency of 1. Then the total work is finished. Okay. Now find how many days Abhi alone can complete. Abhi's efficiency is 3. 30 can be completed by Abhi alone. 3 per day in 10 days. So answer is 10 days. Next, a train crosses a tunnel which is half of its length with a speed of 14 km per hour. With a speed of 14 km per hour. With a speed of 144 km per hour in half minute means 30 seconds. So convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second. Find the time in which it will cross another train which is double of its length and standing platform in opposite direction with 60% of its initial speed. Now see here what is given a train. So if the length of the train is L If the length of the train is L, then the length of the tunnel is L by 2. So I am taking the length of the train as 2L. Length of the train as 2L. Then length of tunnel would be L. So the total distance covered by the train to pass the tunnel is sum of the lengths of the train and tunnel, which is 3L. Distance is equal to speed. Speed is 144 km per hour converted into meter per second. Speed into time is half minute. Okay, means 30 seconds. So from this I will get L. How much? 18. How many times? 8 times. 3. How many times? 10 times. So I have got L as 400. So my length of train 2L is 800 meters. Okay. I have got L as how much? 400. Length of train is how much? 2L. Am I correct or not? L is 400. Length of the train is 200. Now what is given? Find the time in which it will cross another train which is double of its length. Now our train length is 800. Now new train length would be double of 800, which is 1600. And now then find the time in which it will cross another train which is double of its length and standing on platform in opposite direction with 60% of its initial speed. So now new train speed is how much? 60% of 144 into 5 by 18 initial speed. Okay, so 5 cancel, 18 eggs are. So 3 eggs are how much? 24 meters per second. So now how much time will it take? Time taken is equal to relative distance, one train crossing the other. Sum of the lengths of the trains divided by distance by speed is how much? 24. So 800 plus 1600, 2400 divided by 24, which is 100 seconds. It takes 100 seconds. Next, Arun sells his watch at a profit of 33 1 by 3, at a profit of 33 1 by 3 percentage, and his purse at a loss of 16 2 by 3 percentage. On the whole, he gains 50 rupees. And if he sells his watch at 16 2 by 3 percentage loss and purse at 33.33 percentage, then there will be no profit, no loss. No profit, no loss. So no profit, no loss means 0%. So 16 2 by 3 percentage loss means 50 by 3 percentage loss minus, and 33 1 by 3 percentage means 100 by 3 percentage. In this case, there is overall no profit, no loss. So what is the ratio of the prices of watch and purse? I am applying allegation. So what I am going to get? 100 by 3 minus 0. 100 by 3 is to 0 minus of minus 50 by 3. So 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1 is the ratio of prices of watch and purse. It is given there. So what you can say, when it is sold at 33 1 by 3 percentage profit, 33 1 by 3 percentage profit, and is purse at 16 2 by 3 percentage, 33 percentage profit, it is 16 2 by 3 percentage loss. So 60, it is 2 parts, it is 3 parts. What I have to take it as, it is 1/3, it is 3. I am taking Total price as 300. 300 means both have to be multiples of, it is one third profit. So it will become 1/3 profit means how much? I will take 1/3 profit on 2 parts minus here loss 1/6 loss on 1/6 loss on this one part. Because of this overall profit of 50 rupees. So what I am going to get? 2x by 3 minus x by 6. 2x by 3 minus x by 6 is equal to 50. So I will get how much? 4x minus x, 3x by 6, x as 100. I will get x as 100. If x is 100, then this is 2x, which is 200. This is x, which is 100. So cost price of watch is how much? 200. Next, Neeraj spent 22% of his monthly salary on food, 20% of the remaining monthly salary on FD. If his saving is 3120 rupees, then find the expenses made by Neeraj on food. So you have to find out 22% of X as how much. So out of total percentage, okay, 22% he is spending on food. Remaining is 78%. From this remaining, 20% of 78 is how much? 15.6%. So thereby the remaining is 62.4%. The 62.4% is remaining, and that is given as 3120. If 62.4% is 3120, then the question is, what is 20%? What is 20%? It is very clear. 62.4, how many times? I think 5 times. 62 not 20%, 22%, 22% on food. On food it is 22%. 62.4 into 50 is 3120. 22%, 22 into 50 is 1100. So answer is 1100. Next question is based on, see, data is given. In a sport academy XY, there are some students who can play 3 games: tennis, cricket and chess. Total number of players who play tennis is 160. All the 3 games are played by 10% of the total number of players. The ratio of cricket to chess players is 3:5, and the total of cricket to chess players is 100% more than tennis players. Players who play both tennis and chess are 12.5% of total tennis players. Ratio of players who play both tennis and cricket to players who play both chess and cricket is 2:3, and the total of players who play both tennis and cricket and players who play both chess and cricket is equal to 1/4 of the chess players. Now it is given 160 players play tennis. So this is players playing tennis. Tennis is given as 160, and this is playing cricket, and the other is playing chess. This is what is given. Now what is given? All the 3 games are played by 10% of total tennis players. 10% of 160 is 16. So it is 16. Right? Now ratio of cricket to chess players is 3:5. Cricket to chess players is 3:5. Now what else is given? ratio of cricket to chess players is 3 is to 5. 3 is to 5, and total number of cricket and chess players is 100% more than tennis players. So tennis is 160. So cricket and chess would be 100% more than 160, means double of 160, which is 320. And cricket and chess are in the ratio 3 is to 5. 3 parts, 5 parts. So 8 parts is 320. So 8 parts 320 means 1 part 40. 3 parts 120. 5 parts 200. Okay. So what you can say, cricket is 120 and chess is 200. Now next, players who play both tennis and chess. Both tennis and chess means this part is 12.5% of total tennis players. Total tennis players are 160. 12.5% of 160. So T intersection chess is 12.5%. 1 by 8 of 160, which is 20. So this is already 16. So this is 4. Okay. Now next, the ratio of players who play both tennis and cricket. Both tennis and cricket. Tennis and cricket. Both tennis and cricket. Ratio of players who play both tennis and cricket to players who play both chess and cricket. Both chess and cricket is 2 is to 3. Tennis and cricket to what is 2 is to 3 given. 2 is to 3 given. So if you see here very clearly, what can be understood now? What can be understood? Ratio of the players who plays both tennis and cricket. Both tennis and cricket to players who play chess and cricket is 2 is to 3. So let the players who play both tennis and cricket and players who play both chess and cricket, let it be some tennis and cricket to chess and cricket. The ratio is given as 2 is to 3. So it is 2y, it is some 3y. So 2y plus 3y. And what is given here? And total number of players who play both tennis and cricket and players who play both chess and cricket is equal to 1/4 of the chess players. Total chess players are how many? 200. So sum of these two is 1/4 of 200, which is 50. So if 5y is 50, then y is 10. Y is 10. Y is 10 means, so what you are going to get here? Please see what you are going to get here. 2y is how much? 20. 2y is 20. 3y is 30. So this total is 20. This total is 20 means it is 4. This total is 30 means it is 14. Now if you see here, 16 plus 4, 20 plus 4, 24 means it is 136. 20 plus 14, 34. 34 means it is 86. Now 30 plus 4, 34 means it is 166. Now you got the values. You got all the values like this. This is the final chart. Now what is the average number of players who play only one game? Only one game means 136 plus 86 plus 166 divided by 3, which is how much? 388 by 3. 388 by 3 is 129, 1 by 3. So option is 1. Okay. Next, players who play chess but not cricket. Players who play chess but not cricket is what percentage of total number of players? So if you see here, players who play chess but not cricket. Players who play chess but not cricket. 164, 160 who play chess but not cricket. 166 plus 4, 170 is what percentage of total? Total is how much? Total would be, so 388 plus 4, 392. So if you add everything, how much you are going to get? You are going to get the total value to be 426. 400. If you add everything, this total value you are going to get 426. So now the question is, the people who are playing chess but not cricket is 170. Is what percentage of total? 426. So 170 divided by 426 into 100. So approximately how much? How much you are going to get? 43 fours are 172. So approximately 40%. Approximately 43 fours are 172. So approximately 40%. Next question. What is the ratio of players who play both tennis and chess to players who play only cricket? So both tennis and chess is 20 and players playing only cricket is how much? 86. So it is 2 tens are 2 43s are. 10 is to 43. Now next. Players who play at least 2 games. At least 2 games means 2 or more than 3. 2 or more than 2. So it will be how much? 4 plus 4, 8 plus 16, 24 plus 14, 38. So 38 is what percentage of players who play at most 2 games. At most 2 games means you have to subtract 426 minus 16. All 3 you have to subtract. 38 is what percentage of this? You need to find out. So what is the answer you are going to get? 3800 divided by 410. So what is the answer? Approximately 41 nines are 368. 41 tens are 410. So approximately 9%. Now, what is the difference between number of players who can play tennis? So number of players who can play tennis is 160, already calculated. And who play only cricket? Only cricket is 86. 160 minus 86 is 74 is the answer. Now next. Again one more table. So total number of students who do not take part, ratio of number of students who take part in drama and painting. Number of students in 5 different classes, in which some students take part in drama and some in painting, and some students do not take part in any event. So now see the question. What is the difference? What is the difference between the number of students who participate in drama in class 7? Total number of students is 480. Number of students who do not take part in any is what? 220. So taking part would be 260. So 5:8 means 13 parts is 260, 1 part is 20. So 100 and 160. 100 and 160. Drama and painting. Now here 320, 103 are not participating. So let us go as per the requirement. So who participate in drama from class 7? From class 7 how much it is? It is 100. And class 8 how much? 240, 105 are not participating, 135 are participating, 3 parts 135, 1 part 45, so 2 parts 90, 1 part 45. So 100 plus 90. This minus who participate in painting from class 9 and class 10. So class 9 and class 10, if 210 are not participating, 300 are participating, 5 parts 300, 1 part 60, so it is 180, it is 120. Okay, and class 10 is 250, total 120 not participating, 130, so it is 80, 50. So painting in 9th and 10th is 120 and 50. So 190 minus 170. 190 minus 170 is how much? 20 is the answer. So answer is 20. Answer is 20, option A. Then next, total number of students who do not take part from class 7 and 10 together. Class 7 and 10, 220 plus 120, 330. Is what percentage? Is what percentage more or less than total number of students who take part in painting in 6th and 7th. In 6th and 7th already we calculated. No, we didn't calculate it. 6th and 7th in painting. 6th and 7th in painting. If you see here, out of 320, 103 are not participating, means 217. 217 are participating. If 7 parts are 217, each part is 31. Each part is 31 means 3 parts, 331 is 93, 431s are 124. And 220 not participating, 260 participating. So 13 parts, so it is 100 and 160. So it is 330, and those are participating in painting. In painting is how much? 124 plus 160. 124 plus 160, which is 284. So 330 is more than 284 by 46. 46 by 284 into 100. 46 by 284 into 100. What is the answer? So the approximately it is 29. Am I correct? 340, how much? Am I correct or not? 124 plus 160 is 284. And 340, is it 330 or 340? 330 or 340, please see here. It is what? 7th and 10th. 7th 260, 260, 220 plus 120 is 340, sorry, 340. 340 minus 284 is how much? 56. 56. So it is 28, 28 into 2 is 56. So approximately it is how many times, how much? 56 one time, 56 five times, approximately. So it is 20%. So answer is 20%. Now next, what is the average of total number of students who take part in drama from class 6th, 8th and 9th? So how many are participating in drama? Already I calculated as 93, and 8th I already calculated as 90. 9th I already calculated as 180. So average means divide by 3. So 31 plus 30, 61 plus 60, 121 is the average. So 121. Next, what is the ratio of the total number of students who take part in drama in class 8th and 9th together to total number of students who take part in painting from class 6th and 10th together? So already we have calculated 8th and 9th drama. It is 90 plus 180. And 6th and 10th painting already we calculated as 124 and 50. So thereby you will get it is 90 plus 180, 270, divided by 174. So what can be cancelled? Which one can you make it cancel? 645 are 629 are. So 45:29 is the answer. Next question. If the number of students who do not take part in any activity from class 9 is increased by 50%. So now it is how much? 210. 210 increased by 50% means half. It becomes 315. 315. Find the number of students taking part in drama. In drama decreased by what percentage if the ratio drama painting remains same. Drama to painting has to remain same. For class 9. For class 9, drama to painting remains same. So it is known that total student taking part drama previously. So earlier drama 180, 9th class, drama 180 and what is given now? Earlier it was 180, 510 minus 210 which is 300. 300 ka 3/5. How much? 180. Now what is given? Now 315 are not participating. So 515 minus 315 are not participating. If 510 minus 315 are not participating, the remaining are how much? 0 minus 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 1, 8. So it is how much? 185. This 185 is also in the ratio of 3:2. So 5, am I correct or not? Into 3 by 5. 3 by 5. If I make 3 by 5, how much I am going to get? Am I correct or not? Is it 185 or 195? 510 minus 310 is 200. It is 195. 195 means in this drama has to be 3 parts. So 3 parts, so 5 parts is 195. 5 parts is 195. So 3 parts would be 117. 117. So earlier it was 180. Now it is 117. So 180 minus 117 divided by 180 into 100. So how much you are going to get? 180 minus 117 is 63. 63 divided by 180 into 100. So how much? How much it is? It is 9 20s are, 9 7s are, 25s are. So answer is 35%. Okay, it is given that the number of students who do not take part in activity earlier is 210, now it is increased by 50%, becomes 315. And whatever the ratio earlier 3:2, now also ratio 3:2. Total is 5 parts only, but now participating would become, participating in either would become how much? Total minus how many are increased not participating by half. So 510 minus 315 would be total participating, which is 195, which is 5 parts. 3 parts drama, 2 parts painting. 5 parts is 195, 1 part is 39, drama is 3 parts 117. Now by what percentage the drama is decreased? The drama earlier is 180, now 117. 180 becomes 117 means the percentage decreases 35%. Next question. Find the sum of the number of students taking part in painting from class 7, drama from class 9 and 10. So it is a direct figure which we already calculated, 160, 180 and 80. Just to find the sum. So 160, 180, 340 plus 80, 420. So answer is 420. So option is D. Next, if you see here, it is a kind of, what is the logic applied here? 13.5 into 2, 27 divided by 3, 9 into 4, 36 divided by 5. So it has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before into we must have division. So 13.5 divided by 1 is 13.5. So answer is option D. Next, 102 becomes 114. So it is increased by 12. 114 increased by 15. 129 increased by 24. 153 increased by 51. So if you see here, here difference is 3, here difference is 9, here difference is 27. So the difference of differences is tripled. So here difference has to be tripled again. 81, 51, 81, 134, 132. So now 204 plus 132, the answer has to be 336. 336. Now next, if you see here, what is the logic? 813 missing term, 18, 7, 782. What is the difference here? Definitely it is decreasing series. Okay, 813 after some term it has become some value, then decreasing, then increasing. So decreasing, increasing, alternate. Let me check. 818 becomes 782 means there is difference of 36. 782 becomes 998. 782 becomes 998 means how much? Plus 216. Then 998 becomes 298 means how much? Minus it is 1296. 1296. So it is 6 square, it is 6 cube, it is 6 power 4, minus, plus, minus. So before this you must have 6 power 1 and before that you will have 6 power 0. So 813 minus 813 minus 6 power 0 means minus 1. 830 minus 1 is 812 is the answer. 812 plus 6 power 1 is 818. This is the logic. Minus 6 power 0, 6 power is increased. Okay, and the minus plus are coming alternatively. So answer is here 812. Now next, 12, 129, 242. What is the observation here? 12 plus 117. 129 plus 113 is 242. 242 plus 104. 346 plus how much? 88. What is the observation here? So 113, 104. What is happening? Here difference is decreased by 4. Here difference is decreased by 9. Here difference is decreased by 36. So here difference 4, 9, 36. 4, 9, 104 becomes 88. Now it is not 36. It is how much? 88, 16, 16, 16, 16. It is 16. 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Next difference has to be 5 square. So difference is 25 means it has to be 63. 434 plus 63 is 497. 497 is the answer. Next. Now 48, 216, 48, 216, 756. So it is, see, it is getting multiplied. 216 triple, 216 triple, 260, it is around 4 times. It is 2 times. It is 48 4s are 192. 192 plus 24 is 216. So 48 into 4.5. 216 3s are 648. 648 plus 108. So into 3.5. It is into 2.5. It is into 1.5. 1890 into 1.5. So 1890 plus 945. 1890 plus 945 is 2735. 1890 plus 245 is 2835. 2835. Now 957 22. 9 becomes 5. 9 divided by 2, 4.5 plus 0.5 is 5. 5. So I can say the logic is like this. The logic is like this. 9 into 0.5. 4.5 plus 0.5 is 5. 5 into 1. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 into, am I correct? 7 into 2. 9 into 0.5. 9 का आधा 4.5 plus 5. Then 7 into 2, 14 plus 8, 22. 22.5 becomes double. 1 becomes double. 2 becomes double. 4. Okay, the multiplication factor is doubled from one to the other. Similarly, the addition value becomes 4 times. 0.5 becomes 4 times. 2 becomes 4 times. 8 becomes 4 times. 32. 22 4s are 88. 88 plus 32 is 120. Okay. 120 into 4 becomes double. 8. 960. 32 becomes 4 times. 128. 960 plus 128. 960 plus 128 is 1088. 1088. Okay. So now the remaining questions you please try to answer, because I have now one more session. So the time for the session now. So I have to close the session today. So the remaining 10 questions are there in this paper. You please try to answer the remaining 10 questions. Okay. And if you have any doubt in the remaining 10 questions, you please keep a comment so that we will reply and we will make your doubt clear. Okay. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you once again.